Hello everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. So in today's class we are going to discuss about the base SAS certification, question number 31. So if you have any questions you can ask in the comment section, and if you are new to this channel please subscribe to the Great Online Training channel and like the video and also share the video to your friends and colleagues who need the SAS certification. So without any delay, let's enter into question number 31. So here the following SAS program is submitted, that is proc print data is equals to accounts and insert statement here and the run statement. So proc print is nothing but is to print the data set in the output window. So and here the data set name is accounts. Insert statement here and the run statement. So the following list report containing the character variable name and the numeric variables date and amount is generated. So what we have to answer for this question is, here you can see there is a report that was produced like the name, date and amount. This is the proc print report for the accounts data set. So how the report was occurred, we have to say by saying these options. And now the following list report containing the character variable name and the numeric variables date and amount. And we can see here the name is the character variable and date and amount is the numeric variable. So what we want is here the date. First of all we want to know the difference between the dates. Like how can the date appear, we have to know. So here if you see here DD MM YY, so something date, month and year, if it is present like this, that is 16/5/2007, then we will call it as DD MM YY format. So if in case if it is present as 16th May, sorry, the month is present like here, the May is there, right? So if the month is present in a May, June, July or something like that, then we can call it as date 9 dot format, because 16, 2, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 7 letters are there, right? So date 9 dot format. So if in case this is present, we have to calculate this symbol also, and then we will get DDMMYY 10 dot format. So that's the difference between the dates. So now we can see here it is in the date 9 dot format. So and here it is $123,830.23. So it is present in the dollar. We can also write the comma if in case the dollar symbol is missing here. For example, if the dollar symbol here is missing and 123,830.23 is present, then we can write it as comma, how many letters are there, we can write like that. But here the dollar symbol is present. When the dollar and also the comma is present, we have to indicate that as a dollar but not the comma or dollar comma, not like that. We have to indicate that as dollar. And now dollar, how many letters are there? We have to count with the dollar symbol also. Let's count now. Dollar, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to count the comma also. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10 and 11. We have to count every single thing. Like here the full stop and also the comma and also the dollars, and also we have to count. So after counting all this, we are getting 11 digits. And we can see after the decimal we have 2 digits like 2 and 3. So 2 digits means 11.2 is the correct one. So you may ask that in the below observations we only have 9 letters, then how could we say that it is 11.2? So even if in case if the data set has less observations and also more observations, we have to count the more observations but not the less observations. So here instead of this 10 dot like $10.2 dot, we have to take it as $11.2. If in case if we have written $10.2, then we will get wrong, because then we will not get the like 1, 2, 3 there, right? We will not get the dollar sign. So we have to write that as 11.2. So we know. So now we know about the date and also the amount and what is the correct one. So we can check the options and let's clarify which is the correct option. So first option is format date 9 dot and the amount is $11.2. As I said, this is in the format of date 9 dot and the amount is in the format of date 11.2. So this is somewhat correct, but we have to check the other options. And the next one is format date DDMMYY 9 dot. As I said before, DDMMYY is nothing but which should be present 16/05/2007, but it is in the May and July, so it is not the correct one, and the amount is $10.2. If we have written the $11.2 in the first observation, we will get missing the dollar, so we have to write $11.2 but not the $10.2. And the next one is format date DDMMMYYY 9. So here you can see M's are 3 and Y's are 3. When the month should be assembled, we have to indicate that with 2 letters like MM only, not 3 M's, because when we are writing the month, we will write 02, 03 and 04 because it is 2 letters. But here the 3 characters were given, and also for year we have to write it as 4 characters like 2007, 2008, etc. And amount is comma 11.2. As I said, if we have written the comma 11.2, we will not get the dollar sign. And the next one is date 7 dot format. So here it is in the date 9 dot format, because as we count the numbers and also the characters, we will get the 9 characters. So it is in the date 9 dot format but not in the date 7 dot format. And also the amount is in the dollar comma 10.2. As I said, we have to indicate, if it present the dollar and comma, we have to indicate that as dollar but not the dollar and comma. So the correct option for this question is the first one. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to the Great Online Training channel, and thank you. Thank you for watching.